Hi, this is Matthias, and today I'll show you how to get TikTok organic data into Power BI. Before you start, make sure that you have access to a TikTok account and to Power BI desktop. Let's get started. Head to onboard.windsor.ai and in there, look for TikTok Organic. Then grant TikTok Organic access. And once done, select your accounts. Head to Preview and Destination. And now in here, you can select the different reports you would like to sync. I'm going to sync account data over. So select these fields here. And then I click Save here. Call that TikTok account data. And I click Save. Now my export is defined. And I head to Power BI. In Power BI, create the blank report. And in here, I click on Get Data, More, and I type Windsor. And then in here, you click on Windsor, click Connect. And now the first time you do that, it's important there will be a pop-up where you have to log in or authenticate. And do make sure that you use the same username, of course, like you have used to save the query. And now in here, in the Save Query section, we should have the Save Query available. You can see here, TikTok account data. And now the data is here in the preview. Now I click Load. And now the data is available. So if I drag and drop some of the metrics over, I will have the same data as in the preview before, visualized in Power BI. Thanks very much for watching and enjoy working with the connector.